have a lot of soups and a lot of meat soups. So that's why we decided to start with borscht. So this is the name of the soup we're cooking today. I think it is one of the most famous Russian dishes. And, well, each family knows this.
Заранее сварили бульон.
Yeah, we have already made broth because, you know, it's like a bit languish to cook it here. We are going to add some ingredients in it.
All right.
It is beef, fried vegetables.
Fried vegetables.
Yeah.
All right.
Onions. Added carrots, I think I didn't comment on this. And also beetroots.
Beetroot.
Yes.
Пока это варится.
Salt into it.
All right. Already salty, so you can just, you know, just...
Перец.
Just to taste, yeah, to taste as you like it.
Лимоном.
And you know, she's adding lemon into these frying vegetables to make the soup more red, to add the color. So actually, this is also one of the secrets. If you want to make the color of the soup, now we're adding tomato paste into it. Yeah, just like 2 tablespoons.
For that, I have to come to Russia and to experience it. We're adding potatoes.
Yes, into the soup, into the broth.
All right. Potatoes in, and we are
И ждем, пока она сварится.
Yeah, we are waiting for it to boil, for potatoes to be cooked. Vegetables they are frying.
Вот, мы теперь можем добавить.
So she thinks they are ready, and we can add this zajarka, these fried vegetables, into the soup. So we've shown you, and now we are adding it to the soup.
All right.
When our soup is almost ready, we are adding bay leaf.
All right, bay leaf to it as well.
Yeah. Also
to
for
get
the
extra
taste.
added flavor.
Yeah.
बोर्श अज्जा पानी 1.5 से 2 लीटर बीफ हड्डी पर लगा हुआ 400 से 500 ग्राम चुकंदर 2 अदद छोटे दरमियानी गाजर 1 अदद दरमियानी प्याज 3 अदद कुकिंग ऑयल 4 से 5 खाने के चमचे सफ़ेद बंद गोभी 300 ग्राम दरमियाने आलू 4 अदद लहसुन का जवा 1 अदद नमक काली मिर्च और दीगर मसाले ऑप्शनल